In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on all your devices. Whether you're on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, you'll learn how to secure your online activities seamlessly. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Nordvpn website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Nordvpn. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download option suitable for your operating system. In this case, Windows PC or laptop is our focus. Click on that link to proceed. Upon reaching the download page, you'll be greeted with the option to log in. If you already have a Nordvpn account, use your credentials to log in. If not, you'll need to create an account first. Logging in ensures you can access all the premium features of NordVPN and save your preferred settings across devices. Once logged in, click on the download button. This will initiate the download of the NordVPN application tailored for your Windows device. After the download has finished, you will want to install the application. Locate the downloaded file in your downloads folder and open it to begin the installation process. It's a straightforward process, just follow the on-screen instructions, agreeing to the terms of service and setting your installation preferences. Once installed, launch the application. You'll be prompted to log in again within the application. Enter your details to get started. With the software up and running, you now have the option to explore its features, including server selection, quick connect options, and security protocols. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings to optimize your VPN use according to your browsing needs. If you're working on a browser and prefer an even more seamless experience, NordVPN also offers browser extensions. Head over to the NordVPN website and find the section dedicated to browser extensions. These extensions work with browsers like Chrome and Firefox and provide a more integrated approach to online security. Clicking on the browser extension section will lead you to a page with download options for each supported browser. Install the extension of your choice by following the prompts. Once added, you'll notice a small NordVPN icon appear on your browser. Clicking this icon allows you to toggle the VPN on or off directly from your browser, making it incredibly easy to switch your VPN protection on and off as needed. Remember, using a VPN like NordVPN isn't just about privacy, it's also about creating a secure, unrestricted browsing experience across all your devices. With these steps, you should now be well equipped to use NordVPN on any device you own. Enjoy safe and secure browsing.